What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. It's a brand new day, and we don't have time for intros. We just need to get going. Time crunch, people. So, gonna go find my other fender out there in the snow. It was way worse off than this one, or else I would have started with it first. But I didn't, because this one was better. So, I'm gonna go get the worst one, and we're gonna tackle that. We need a matching set here. So, that's what we're aiming for. That's what we're gonna do. Have you ever rolled your ankle on a giant yard Lego? Well, I have. Yay, hide and seek with car parts. I found you, now let's get you out of there. Okay, so this is what our passenger side fender looks like. And this would be our driver's side. And it all looks great. I mean, everything looks pretty solid up until you get to this point. And then you realize, oh, hey, there's some rust, right? I mean, oh, brother. It's pretty much gone. Like, this entire section is just gone. I mean, I have some more metal. See? So I could fab a little corner here. I mean, I could. Complete change of direction. We are gonna help my sister out real quick. She has my dad's 69 Nova, and we are going to help her repair a few things. So the hood has been, it is rusting, and it just cannot be this way, so I'm gonna take a pause on my Nova and focus on the 69 Nova real quick and see what we can get done for her. Alright, so the thing is my dad made this hood himself. He pretty much attached a fiberglass scoop to his stock hood. And the wing that my dad made on the cowl is actually made out of a street sign, so. Yeah, I started going at it here. So this is where, like, when it rains or snows, it pools down in there. He didn't drill any holes in the bottom, so it seeps right through here. Yeah, other parts have been breaking, seeping, etc. But, so, since it's not metal on metal and I can't weld it, I am thinking I'm going to fill it, drill some holes on the bottom so that when it does rain or snow on her, it will have a place to drain instead of seeping and searching for places to escape. I'm going to patch this, and we are going to give it a fresh paint coat. We're going to see how we can get this to turn out. So I just got like kind of the first initial layer down. She wanted satin black, so that's what we're going with. Looks a lot better than it did for sure, so I am happy. I mean, that's always the plan, just make it look better than it did. These interior panels came out nice. They look good all flat, I dig that. Yeah, and got some more paint for the interior. So unfortunately the storms were rolling in and it was getting really cold. Too cold to paint in the garage. So had to bunker down for the night, let the storm pass, eat some grub, hang out, and now it's too cold still to get out there. So I figured I might as well edit this video for you guys, but I promise, the very beginning of the next video, I'll show you the final product once we're done with it. But for right now, this is my life. Welcome to Colorado. Woo. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll catch you around next time.